1/3 of the cases out of the Malvern area for the correctional facility there, you still have an increase of a couple of hundred on Saturday. And so, where do those cases come from?
The questions behind the case reports today. There was some time taken to address the new COVID-19 cases logged over the weekend. There were a number of them. Arkansas saw its largest single-day increase on Saturday. Thanks for joining us tonight at 5, everybody. I'm Bob Clausen.
And I'm Ashley Ketz. Today, 572 new cases of the coronavirus have been added to our total. It brings the number of active cases here in Arkansas right now to just over 6,500.
There are 6,510 active cases, 5,425 in the community. 2 more Arkansans have died from the virus, bringing that total now to 323. Since Sunday, 19 more people have been hospitalized, which brings that number to now 439. Most of today's new cases, 77 to be exact, are coming out of central Arkansas and Pulaski County. Since March 28th, or since March rather, 28,939 positive cases have been confirmed in the state of Arkansas.
And from continuing the push of wearing our masks in public to breaking down some of the case numbers, leaders covered a lot of ground today in that governor's daily update.
That's right. Haley Brooks was at that meeting. She's joining us now live with more on what the governor had to say today. Haley.
Bob, Ashley, since Saturday, there's been more than 2,000 positive COVID cases. So today there was a lot of talk about masks. Is there any plan to make masks mandatory? The answer to that is still no, not right now. Governor Hutchinson said 6 or 7 municipalities have put a mask ordinance in place, but right now the governor is still focused on education, helping people change their behavior because they see it's helping versus forcing the mask. Governor Hutchinson did say if the numbers keep climbing, they will look to other ways to push the issue.
We don't want to have to put more restrictions on. We don't want to have to slow anything down. And the answer is, if you don't want that to happen, then we've got to continue to be disciplined, social distance, wear a mask.
Governor Hutchinson said a face mask is one tool we have to reduce the spread of the virus. It gives us the ability to be out in public without spreading the virus, and we want to continue impressing that upon Arkansans. Reporting live in Little Rock, I'm Haley Brooks. Back to you.